Hey guys, I'm Jacob Sotiris and welcome to this episode. And one thing I want to address is how we come across with our customers, and a really simple and effective thing that we can do just to help our conversions and ultimately help our sales in general, just our experience in the role. And that's personalising our interactions to how the customer is. So let's just roll it back for a moment. Let's say a young hip hop grimy style person comes into the showroom. You're not probably going to address them in the same way as you would an elderly couple who have come in. Okay, they're two very different people and they will bounce off different feelings, emotions, just the aura around you. So now think again, if it is an old couple that come in, you're probably going to approach them in a more maybe not respectful, but you know what I mean, a more nice, calm, tentative manner. But you'd be surprised how many sales execs don't do this. They'll just be their one self, which is great because I'm all about using personality and being yourself. But if you're just that one robotic state of you, then you're not adjusting to who these people are, and ultimately you could be costing yourselves deals because these people won't feel like they've got that relationship with you, or they wouldn't feel like they've built something with you and that you understand them. For example, you watching this now, some people out there might be like, that guy is exactly how I am, I've got the energy, we bounce off each other, and you're feeling like we're building a bond already. Whereas there'll be some people watching this that are so polar opposite and think, too much for me, and that's fine. But if I was with you in a face-to-face situation and you were looking to buy a vehicle from me, I would quickly assess who you were, how you were, and I would bring myself to that level as best I could, still keeping my personality, but bringing myself to you. So kind of, I like this saying of bringing yourself to where the customer is rather than where you want them to be. So not trying to make them you, you've got to come to them. Okay, so that's something just to take away. It's a really simple and effective, almost kind of a psychological thing that you can use, because when you can relate to someone, or when you feel like you can relate to someone, good things can happen. The relationships are there, they build very quickly. And for example, influencers, you'll follow influencers on social media, and if they recommend a product, well, you always already feel like you've got this bond with them because they're kind of, they're relatable, they're kind of like me, they understand me. So if they suggest something, well, they're kind of like me, so I'm going to like that. And that's how influencer marketing works. And it's exactly the same in car sales. If you're in a situation where a customer comes in and they are very much a type of person, their personality is very much this way, try and bring yourself as best you can with your personality to where they are. Okay? Just bring yourself to where they are. Because that personality crossover will pay dividends. They'll really feel like you're there with them. They'll feel like you're understanding, listening, and you are them. So that will just help your sales, it will help your conversions, it just makes life a lot nicer because you can relate with them, they can relate with you, and it's a better experience for everyone. So that is my tip today. I will be doing more, so make sure if you're not already, you have hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you in another video.